Thank you, and good afternoon. Um, One thing we promise you is that this session will end at 3:15 because both Professor Jamdagni and I have a 5 o'clock flight to catch, so we are going to run from here. All right? So we'll keep it brief. Gentlemen, welcome. Um, I'm not going to spend any time on introducing. I'm sure that their profiles are with you and you know, or you should know, these two gentlemen. I'm only going to put very quickly my comments in perspective. And, like Professor Jamdagni, those of us who come from the academic world like to take a somewhat provocative stand. So I'm going to start by being a little provocative. And the point I would like to make is that the biggest challenge for the SME sector is actually your mindset. It's nothing outside. So let me ask you a simple question, and I don't want an answer, but I want you to think about this. How many of you genuinely believe in your hearts that you are capable and ready to compete with anybody, anywhere in the world, without subsidies, without support, without, this help, without that help, without something? That's number one. Number two, how many of us compete on quality, saying we are the best? Number three, how many of us have sent our people for serious training? How many of us believe that we actually know what is the latest that is happening in our own sector? And I'd like to make one small distinction here. There are many who have joined the newer sectors. And I think, and there, especially in e-commerce and in anything electronic, there is some thing. But in more traditional sectors, how many of us are there? And how many of us believe that we can actually market ourselves anywhere in the world based on our quality and our capability? And I think that those, to me, are the real challenges that we have to overcome. Yes, there are other challenges too. Financing is a big problem. Funding is a big problem. I'm glad that some of the work that we did at ISB's Center for Analytical Finance by Professor Day has now been introduced in this year's budget, where they talk about securitization of SME debt. And I think that's a huge step forward. But we have to look at newer ways in which we can get funding. Power happens to be a perennial problem for all of us. How do we overcome that? Corruption is a perennial challenge, and how do we overcome that? And I think it's going to be. But while we do look at all of those, how can we all work together? How can the technology sector especially, the social, mobile, analytics, cloud, and all those people, how can they be of help to the manufacturing sector? I think there is also a tremendous opportunity for all of us to work together and to help each other. And finally, I'll just end up by saying one thing. It's my firm belief that if you can produce today a world-class product at 5% of its global price, not at a 5% discount, at a 95% discount, at a 5% of its global, then you have unlimited market. That is your real challenge. Right? I'm going to hand over to Professor Jamdagni and afterwards to Dr. Tamal Sarkar, who has done a lot of work on clusters. So over to you, Professor Jamdagni.